Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing this. So this here is a MP300 Nissan Navara STX. Nice bit of gear. This is Jaden's rig, as you can see. We'll do a quick rundown of it. We'll shoot the drone around, getting some cool photos and some rolling shots. But before we do any of that, we'll go in and tell you what's actually in this rig. So to start off, we've got these nice big meaty boys. They're from Hackett's Tyres down there in Archerfield, so make sure you check those guys out. So these are 315 75 by 16s on a neg 22 offset rim, I'm assuming.
Neg zero.
Neg zero.
Not quite patrol spec.
No quite patrol spec. So while we're down here talking about the tyres, we can talk about the suspension in it. We have a full Superior lift kit in this car. We've got 4-inch in the front and 3-inch in the back. Plus we've also got the body lift as well. Everything in here has been Superior. Everything is mint. We can start with the top control arms here, greasable. They're adjustable too, so when you go up you need to adjust your wheel camber.
Yeah,
obviously.
Toe and stuff like that as well, camber. I did struggle to get it to zero toe.
Oh, okay.
So I had positive camber for a while. I had to put some offset bushes and lower control arms from Super Pro.
Oh, we can go and have a geezer at that. Have a geezer at that, everyone. Right, underneath here we do have some offset bushes, which we were just discussing.
Yeah. As you can see how far those are offset, just to bring the lower arm out and then bring the camber back to zero.
Which is what we want, and what you're going to have to do when you put these big suspension lifts in these IFS four-wheel drives, unlike with the Patrols where it's a solid axle, it doesn't matter. With these big ones you need to do that. Same time you do that, you also need to worry about your CV lengths and all that, because they'll pop out and you can destroy them as well.
CV angles as well.
Yes. While we're under the car, we can talk about the exhaust, which is a full straight pipe system, which is looks about what, 2 3/4 pipe.
That's 3-inch Rhino exhaust straight through.
But we don't have the DPF deleted because that's illegal. So, but yeah, nice. We'll do some clips of the exhaust too, so you can hear what it sounds like. It sounds wicked. Okay, so while we're talking about the turbo and intakes and all that, we have a custom-made intake from in-house fabrication. We've also got this lovely radiator shroud and Pro Vent catch cam. So this is all necessary stuff that just gets for that nice whistle from the turbo.
And those modern diesels. Also got a EGR blocking plate.
Does not have an EGR blocking plate because that's illegal. But yes, that's pretty much all that's in the engine. For the meantime, we will eventually do some more mods to this, but we wanted to do some more cosmetic stuff first. Okay, next we have an Osmo roof rack here with the big boy steady light bar. Nice bit of kit. I think we might have done a video on installing a light bar.
Well, we did actually.
You've already seen that. But yeah, it's a steady. Lights up really, really good. 100% would suggest getting steady with everything. They're really good. They also come with all the switches that go straight into your dash, which is a nice actual setup to have. So yeah, that's all steady. So just remember that if you want to go steady with that. We'll go into the inside of the car a bit later. Further back down the car, we've got a full camping setup here. Rooftop tent, which is a nice bit of kit if you ask me. So we've got a full 12-volt supply kit here. We've got lights, we've got power to our air compressor, we've got voltages here for all your fridges and that, tie downs.
DC to DC charger.
Yes, DC to DC chargers. Up top, max tracks, as you always should have when you're going bobbing. Look at that, that's nice. Python drawer systems, another one, and also the fridge sides. You can bolt your fridges down. Nice bit of gear that. If you didn't notice, tailgate goes down slowly. That's because of these. So you can buy these from
Grunt.
Grunt. So yeah, you can buy these from Grunt. They sell them. Pretty easy to install, as you can see. Would recommend, so you don't drop the tailgate on your freaking fingers or anything. So that's nice. We'll keep coming around on this side. We've got trailer plugs, all that for our car trailer that we have with the winches and all that other stuff. This is the tow rig. Back around on this side. Pretty much exactly the same as on the other side.
Besides an aerial.
Actually, if we jump onto here, we can have a little more superior engineering equipment. So we've got all the trailing arms, upper and lower. We've also got adjustable sway bar links, all sorts of goodness under here, which is nice to see. As always, Superior do good four-wheel drive equipment.
The Dobinson Springs, they couldn't supply Superior at the time, so they're 2 to 300 constant. 2 to 300 progressive, sorry. With extended sway bar links, billet sway bar links, stuff like that.
The car's been built for the towing and touring and all that. With the bigger suspension upgrade, we've also got a Superior Engineering chassis brace, as you can see here. This makes the whole back of the car a hell of a lot stronger, which is what you want for your towing big heavy loads, and you don't want, your chassis snap.
So these are a common thing because after 2006 or 7, dual cab utes went to 2mm steel after the cab, and hence they snap.
Wow, you don't want. We're coming to the inside now, so we've got a UHF pass-through right here, so you don't have the big bulky UHF box sticking out, which is nice. All your controls are done through your handset, which is right here, which is nice. Tidies up the engine, the inside of the car a lot better. Yeah, I cannot speak too well today. But yeah, that's pretty much the whole interior. Actually, over the other side of the car, we've also got our Savage gauges over here, which are nice. We've got boost and EGT, I'm assuming. Yes, your OBD2 scanner tool thingy. What else? We've also got rock lights in here somewhere. Rear locker and rock lights, which are good for when you're nighttime forward driving. I'm not too sure where they are mounted on this car. Up in there, oh that's nice. Talking of UHFs, we do have this big meaty UHF here. That mounts to the bonnet through a nice custom-made bonnet strut mount. We did discuss that when we did the UHF install video. So yes, that's it for this video. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Keep on boosting, and we'll see you in the next video.